Hi, welcome back to the making slime.
Yeah. This. Holy cow. Okay, so first we're gonna use clear glue. Then we're gonna use this. Well, shaving cream.
Yeah.
And then this. Then this.
And then
this. Okay, so. Woo!
First,
oh my God.
we add in this.
No, you add this. So free.
Wait. Okay.
You need a spoon. Go get a spoon. Get a spoon. I said get a spoon. We'll add some of this first.
Yep.
And add some of this.
Do you need some more shaving cream?
Nope, we're good.
Okay, grab a spoon.
Here, we'll add some more,
I don't think it.
just in case. If there's any coming out.
That's good. That's good.
Okay, here we go. This is this. I said give me the spoon. Take that. And we'll start mixing. Ooh, we get sort of like a pinkish color.
Add some sprinkles in there.
No, don't you dare. No.
And then do.
And then. Okay. And then you take the baking powder.
Yeah.
If this turns out bad, it's your fault.
What? If this turns out bad, it's.
Then you take the baking powder and then you sprinkle it on. And you start mixing.
This has like. Let's see.
And then if it doesn't work, add more.
This is so depressing.
You're depressing. You want
Double.
that.
Well, I was trying to make slime and
It turned out very bad.
no, it turned out very good. You just didn't see its success.
Ew, it smells. Why?
What?
I don't know.
It's probably just her. It's probably just you.
I do not smell. But now it smells good.
Maybe we should add some like. Whoa! It's turning into slime. Should we add Dawn?
No.
Should we add paint?
No.
Why do we get a pinkish color?
I don't know. You want me to have it?
No.
Sure, I'll have it.
No. Swear you already have enough.
No, I don't. I do not have enough slime.
Well, I was the one making. Well, it was my idea to make this video that's 2 minutes long. I thought it ended, but it didn't. Also, yeah, check out our previous video with her and Tyrone in it. Their real names is Bubba Bubba.
Really?
Boo-doo-doo-doo. Boo-doo-doo-doo.
Add more.
I don't have any music here, so.
Yeah, Tyrone isn't here right now. She's at her friend.
I mean, he, or no, she.
It's a she.
Oh, Lucas is here, my doggo. He's not a very nice doggo, though, so.
Nope.
Yeah, we're just like all those other YouTube channels with a billion subscribers now because we're making slime. Except, we're just doing this the professional way. Very professional, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well, I think it's turning out. Very well.
Hold this.
Hey, it's sticky. That's not good.
That is good. Because
No.
we're making progress.
No,
Take
if it's
this.
sticky,
Take
okay.
this.
God dang it. It's all over me now.
Good job. See? Progress.
I'll see y'all. I'm gonna make some more Lego videos soon. Oh, we're gonna do a video on all the stuff we made during that terrible, no good, very bad live stream. The reference to something somewhere. I just forgot. It's like an episode like.
It's called the Live Not So Live Stream.
Yeah, the live not so live stream.
I think it's turning out good, too.
Hopefully, if it doesn't, then I'm not.
He's gonna put it down the disposable.
And then I'm gonna add some sprinkles in it.
What? No, you're not gonna add.
Because we don't have any glitter, so I mean. Do 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 do. Magic, magic.
Did I get one in my hand?
Like, you didn't. You just got on the mask. That would be $200. Because I need to paint the mask now.
Why? Why do you want to paint the mask?
Because I'm going to paint it red and blue.
And why would that cost $200?
Because I have to use my own paints that don't exist. Is it even working?
Yes.
Let's hope. Remember those balls we bought for 99 cents? Yeah, I broke that one. I broke the green one, Tiffany's. Yeah, she's another friend of ours. Tiffany's. I broke it and then I just put that in the slime. She's ours and Tyrone's pretty good friend. Not very good though.
Nope. She lies to us.
Yeah.
So terrible. Now we just need more.
Oh, we gotta go get some more shaving cream. Oh!
Go find it.
I have more just somewhere. Oh, rainbow.
We didn't have any contact solution because nobody in our house has contacts. So basically, we just let's use baking powder. This wonderful solution. Oh, he's coming back. Here he comes. Pour more. Okay, I think that's it. Stop. That's
Okay,
it.
that's a lot.
Yeah, that's it.
Always keep 2 extra cans on you. Do you need more glue?
No.
I knew we should add more, but I guess.
If
If we make this video 10 minutes long, we get the YouTube monies.
Really?
Yeah, we do. Well, actually, we don't, because I only have like 10 subscribers.
You need like 1 million. Okay, now this is turning out bad.
No, it's not.
We need more. Baking powder.
I'm gonna clean the dishes. Or this one dish. SpongeBob.
Feels so soft. Oh my god.
Is that good or bad?
That's bad. It needs to be like watery or something. Do not add
some more
water.
glue. Add some more glue.
Okay, add glue.
That's
Okay,
a lot. We used a lot of glue.
Yeah, we did.
Too much glue.
Oh, this is too sticky.
Let me put my hand.
Don't. No. Last time you touched slime, you got it all over you, and I had to help get it off.
Yep.
Afraid.
It's right on the helmet.
I know, but that hurt. Because the helmet's on me. So like, you dumb butt. Don't do that double lesson.
She's harassing me. I'm calling the cops.
We made slime. Even though it got all over me, we totally made it. Now I just gotta mix it with the rest.
Then you gotta fry it up like some bacon.
No, we're not doing that.
Also, at the end, you gotta add the celebratory. Look. Ba-da-da-da, 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 ba-da-da-da-da. Well, you're doing all the work. I mean, come on. What are you doing here?
Celebratory, where did it go? Where'd you put it?
What?
Here it is.
Well, let me feel it. That's slimy. No, it's not. Probably should have used stuff like eye contact, but it's something. I will give it that. It is something.
It's really good.
It's pretty good actually. For like a rush video that is only 9 minutes
10.
long. Well, since it was bad, we have to throw this in the garbage disposal.
Don't. No.
Meet your doom.
What did you do?
Oh.
I did nothing.
Meet your end.
Me too.
Da 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 da. Okay,
It's gone.
Oh, Jesus, I'm really afraid that I'm gonna put my hand
We
down
made
it
Play-Doh.
and it's gonna
This
just
is slime. We
start.
made Play-Doh. Oh my gosh.
I can't even find it. I think it's gone actually.
It's gone.
It's like it just teleported.
Wanna go show Evelyn what we made?
Oh, you mean yeah?
Yeah, let's go.
I don't even. It's gone. I can't even.
Go show Mom what we made.
Yeah, I mean Evelyn.
Okay, bye guys.
No, wait. Yeah, it's 10 minutes. I gotta wipe all the sweat off of the totally slime we made. I mean, it's
Play-Doh.
It's Play-Doh. It's basically Play-Doh. I mean, we made this for free. By free, I mean we just used a bunch of things around the house. And Play-Doh costs like $1.
Yeah, we made it for free.
Free as in like $5 shaving cream.
I told you I know how to make it. I told you I know how to make it. Come on, let's go. Let's go show Mom.
Wait. I'm gonna put it in here so it doesn't spill over. Okay, I'm gonna go say bye to the fans.
Woo!
Does Luke my dog? Not JJ's dog. I have no idea where the thing went. I actually think it's gone. So yeah, I'll see you later, you haters. Actually, not haters. Oh, bye. See you later, troops. Stay in the army.